Hi everyone, this is Miss Granger. In this video, I'm going to go over the directions for the Unit 0 Modern Classroom Summative Assessment. Let's look at the prompt. Your goal is to show your understanding of how self-paced classroom structures give students ownership over their own learning. You are a student taking a particular course at Monterey High School that's following this modern classroom philosophy. Your audience is families coming to back to school night. You want to show families how our classroom works and to make sure they understand the process. You will explain how our classroom works in writing, through art, or verbally. Your explanation should thoroughly showcase your understanding of the classroom model, and it should make sense to someone who is not familiar with the process. You will be graded on the following criteria. You're going to be discussing concepts, issues, models, visual representations, and theories by explaining your understanding in writing, through art, or verbally. When you explain in your final model, you'll want to make sure that your explanation is clear, logical, and thorough. You'll want to make sure that your explanation is written or presented in your own words. Your explanation includes key information about self-paced instruction, mastery-based grading, how a student progresses through a unit, and describes benefits and challenges. And finally, that your explanation is formatted in a final draft form. On this paper, you will also see the criteria grading scale from 0 through 8 that shows you what you would earn at each level. You would be aiming for the 8, which is a top score. You will complete this summative on a Google slideshow. The slideshow has 4 slides, but you only need to actually complete 1. The first slide is the prompt or the directions that we just went over. It reminds you what information to include and also a shorter version of the prompt. At the bottom of the first slide, it has 3 links for the different types of explanations or the slides. For example, when you click here, it should take you to slide 2, which is all about the written explanation. The pink box will take you to slide 3 for artistic, and the green box to the slide 4 for verbal. For your written explanation, if you are choosing this one, you would write your explanation in the yellow box below. Use as many sentences and paragraphs as you need to complete a thorough explanation. So you would click on this text box. It's already formatted for the correct size, and you would start typing your response here. If you're choosing artistic, you would be creating your own artistic expression in this yellow box. You can create it right here from the slide, inserting images and text boxes and what have you, or you can click here to make a Google drawing. If you click here to make a Google drawing, you're going to have a page that opens that shows this. It's going to say copy document, and you would say, yes, I would like to make a copy. This will make your own copy of the document, and after you design your artistic expression here, you would then insert it onto this slide by coming up to the menu, clicking Insert, and then Image, and you would then find that in your Google Drive. If you are completing the verbal explanation, you would click on this link to go to a Flipgrid link to verbally record your explanation. You will record both your face and a set of background images. You will also record your voice. When you click here, it'll take you to the Flipgrid site. You'll join with Google and sign in as your Google self. You only need to complete one of the types of explanation. So written, artistic, or verbal, only choose one. If you have further questions, be sure to check in with your teacher. Good luck!